Good morning, everybody. It's Tony here from Clueless Life. Well, today I thought I'd give you another day in the life. I've done a couple of these, and they're somewhat popular. Maybe not too popular, but I do enjoy doing them. So you just said exactly the kind of different things that I may do on a typical day. Today is actually Saturday morning, and I'm on a bike ride. It's just before 8. I'm already gonna play some pickleball. I'm gonna give you some videos of that, and just kind of show you around a little bit about the RV park that I'm at. This is down in Port Charlotte, Florida, and we'll do some other stuff. So come along with us, because you've just entered the coolest life, the day in the life. So this morning I need to practice my pickleball game. I haven't practiced with my partner but maybe twice. We've had 2 games together. We lost them both, so that's not good. Our tournament is like next Tuesday, so we got next Thursday. So we're gonna go to an indoor tournament. Make sure there's some video of that one there too. Maybe do my own video of that one. So we'll see. But right now I'm just taking a leisurely little bicycle ride from this bicycle I picked up at the junkyard. Kind of really did. It's a little place here they call the mall. It's not really a mall, but when RVers get to go in places and they don't need things, like one is this bicycle, they don't want to take it with them, and some people leave chairs and all kinds of stuff. They renovate their RVs and they leave stuff at the dump, and they got a little area that people can go through them and take what they want and leave what they don't. We're going in here. So I went to go to the pickleball courts, and since it's before 8 o'clock, I think the rule is we're not supposed to play before 8 o'clock. So I'm in here in the pool room, so I'm gonna practice my game. I got a league going on Mondays. Actually doing pretty good in the league. Our team's #1. So I'm gonna do some practice here and play a couple games up until probably 8 o'clock, and then I'll go play some pickleball. Setting it up like it is. That's enough of that. Play some pickleball. That's good. I think I've played about 6 games now. So now I'm up on my roof, and I'm going to, there's a little dog howling over there. I'm going to clean my gutters. I got a little gutter that runs down here, and it's gotten clogged. Just it's way over here. It's got a little bit clogged, so I'm gonna clean it out because I got the water running down on my awning, and I don't want that. Hey, you can see all that in there. It's gotta be cleaned out. All I gotta do is come here and sweep it, make it look like that, nice and clean. That's what I need. Well, now I'm doing a little maintenance job on an RV. Well, my RV, and many are just like it. As they get older. Step up on this ladder, so you can see as you get older, the rubber stripping in here may shrink. As you can see, it is coming loose right up here. So basically it gathers. You see that? It's coming loose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and cut this piece right here. I'm going to slide it all down so it's all gathered, and I have got some rubber to put in there. So I'm going to cut off a little piece like this, and I've got some what they call plastic rubber. Plastic rubber? No, plastic isn't rubber. Let's see. It's called liquid rubber. Yeah, let's go with that. It's called liquid rubber. So I'm gonna cut this end right up here, as you can see. I'm gonna slide it all down. I'm gonna clean it all. Actually, I'm gonna pull it out, and I'm gonna clean it, and then I'm going to slide that piece in there, and we're going to seal it up. You can see what it looks like here in a minute. So I cut this right up here, and now I'm going to pull it up out of here. And it's going to be a little short on the end, not by much. Back in, as you can see, I'm just a little bit short. So I'm going to measure me a piece up in here, and I'm going to cut it off and get it in there with some liquid rubber. Well, I got my little piece cut. I put some right there on the end. You can see this is the stuff I'm using. I'm using Flex plastic. Let me get up here. Oh, there we go. So I'm going to fold this one out. I'm going to stick my little piece up inside of there. I just want to push it up in there. Now I'm going to put some more plastic. Got this thing in my mouth. I'm going to put some more of it right here on this end before I tuck it back up in there. Maybe I can do this and show you at the same time while I'm trying to hold this camera. It's kind of hard with only two hands. So I'm going to get this right in there. All right. Let's see what I can do now. I'll start it down here. I'm going to let it push right up in there. I like it. And just like that, I'm going to put a little extra right on this seam. Just a little extra. That's got that. Now, where did I do that? I did that on that window there. Also did it. Let's see. This was my main one. You can probably kind of see it. It's a little broke right there. I did it on this one. Did the same thing here, and like 4 on the other side. Took me about an hour and a half or so, I think it was. But looks good now. Now my little rubber pieces aren't trying to come up out of this corner and giving me a half moon circle. So that's good. Another RV task accomplished today. Now it's about midday, 2 o'clock, and I'm sitting out here by the pool. This pool. We got a Jimmy Bucket playing little loudspeakers. I'll sit here for a little bit, and then I think we got a movie we're going to start up right over there. The other activities coordinator, we're going to set it up and watch Black Adam here outside. Should be fun. Well, I did get a chance to sit in the pool today. That pool. Got a setting actually down at this end, and the hot tub, of course, is over here at this corner here. And got a chance to do that today, and now we got the movie thing set up. That big thing, a monstrosity. Kind of a pain in the butt to set up. It's a blow-up thing, but it's huge. And got some people out here going to watch a movie. They're starting to get out here. We're going to watch that movie and maybe call it a day. We'll see. Knowing me, I'll pack this thing up and go shoot some pool. The movie was good, and boy, was that a long day. It seems like when I started this video today, it was I was shooting pool or trying to go play pickleball in the morning, and it seems like yesterday that happened. Maybe it's because I took a nap in the middle of the day and hung out by the pool some. And yeah, after the movie was over with, we packed everything up and put it away, and I wanted to get back here because there's a UFC fight on tonight, and so I'm actually got it on my TV there. I got it turned off, but did you catch that? Yeah, I think you did. But so got some projects to do, which I got some of that to do, and I'd show you my wife, but she just got a shower and she's walking away. Let me let you go. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Light Beach. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell. You can get notified of different videos we got coming up. I got another day in the life coming up, and also I think we've got a rodeo is going to be this week, so that should be fun. I also got a pickleball tournament coming up also, which is on Thursday, so I may take you to that and show you what a pickleball indoor tournament looks like, and I think it's going to be kind of cool because I've never done one, but I'm in that tournament. But come join us and check out the other playlist that we have on masonry, on how-to videos or do-it-yourself, and also travel videos. Let me let you go. As I said 8,000 times, like and subscribe. We'll catch you down the road. So I'm just out here living, and we're just out here living the coolest life.